I believe that food grown with love and care not only tastes better, but has the potential to regenerate the planet and even secure the future of our food. I'm on a mission to source the best and most sustainable produce around the world so that the food on my plate not only tastes delicious, but is good for personal and planetary health. Vegetable oil is usually a combination of soy, peanut, canola, and palm oil. You don't know what you're going to get. And that oil is responsible for around 1.2 billion tons of CO2 emissions each year. That is very inefficient. I researched different oils for my cookbook to find the most sustainable. Now, every oil has an impact. Olive trees are hardy, drought-resistant, and a permanent crop that will last hundreds of years. Now that means a lot when we're talking about food sustainability. I choose to cook with extra virgin olive oil because of the health benefits for both personal and planetary health. But like most food that's grown with care and love, it tastes exceptional too.